Okay, good afternoon. Frank Castor here. I'm OKM Support, and I'm right here at Metal Detectors in Albania in Tirana. Absolutely super place. Here is Anton, the manager. I cannot recommend this place enough. Great hospitality. We've done a lot of things, worked with a lot of customers today and yesterday. And since this is our last day, I'll be moving back on to Germany tomorrow. But I want to go with a couple of things. And Anton here, he has been working with us with our Fusion Pro, our EXP 5500 and 7000 and the Rover C4 and all of the great instruments over the years. But one of the things that I want to get to, and Anton, what is the main thing that the customers of OKM have difficulties with?
So the main thing for customers to use the OKM, they don't know how to explain that they don't write the scans.
Okay, so we're down to the scans. And if I'm going in here and I'm going to show the scans, one of the features is if they're looking at the scans here, is they come into here and now all of a sudden, what am I looking at? And I'm looking at the screen here. It's too small. The scan is not big enough because the dimensions are too small. But when you actually have the right dimensions, now you get to see the whole scan. And when you get to see the whole picture, you can see, wait a minute, it's jumping on me. Now you get to see the whole picture. So if I'm over here on a different scan, and if I ask what is in this scan, and a lot of customers come to me and say, Frank, what is in this scan? I don't know. I cannot see the whole picture because it's not here. So, but when we zoom out, I can now look and say, oh, you have a tunnel. If your scan is larger, you make life so much easier. Well, I don't have the room for the scan. How am I going to do this? Because my area is so small. Well, many times you do have the room. You just have to plan your scan out better. Anton here gets people all the time. Call me. I'm here to help you. That's what I do. I am a freelancer. I am working with OKM for the last 25 years, quarter century. I know a little bit about this. If you have a scan here and you say, now I'm going to go over here and I want to find my project, I'm going to say, did you actually do a control scan? And a control scan, I have scan number 1. I have scan number 2. We see the object is right here. We have an object right here. And then we have this object over here. If I come over here and I want to readjust the position of this, I can scan this and it's the same position. Our target doesn't move. One scan is going like this. One scan is going like this. One scan is going like this. Real targets don't move. So when you're doing your scans, do your scans so that they will work for you. We think about what we're doing. Don't do it one time. Don't do it twice. Do it at least 3 times. Whether you're with your Fusion Lite or you're with the EXP 7000, it doesn't make a difference. Because another tool to have, and if you're with the EXP 7000, you will have the metal detector. Otherwise, grab a simple little metal detector, go over your area, make sure that your area is clean and free of debris. Once you have that, you will see exactly what you have in the ground, because that's what we're looking for, what's in the ground. This is Frank. I'm at Metal Detector Albania in Tirana. Come on down. Here's Jonas. He is the big boss man. Yes, the big boss. Okay. And he will help you out either in Athens, in Tirana, in Bulgaria. Anton is here. Look at here. He's standing here like a good little soldier. He's a great guy. This is Angie. She's also here with one of the managers. They're here to help you. They will help you. I look forward to seeing you again. Anything to say?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.